Hello everybody, on today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode I will be shooting with the Zorki S in my hometown city of Częstochowa. So we got loaded here, 30 years expired Kodak T-Max 400. I will be shooting it at 100 ISO. I will set the shutter speed to 1/100th of a second and do the sunny 16 roll. And usually it's a little cloudy, so I guess f8, f11, that's the aperture I'll be shooting it at. So all the photos will be basically at the same settings. Unless it gets a little bit darker, then I might close it down to f5, 6 or something, just in case. I got on my phone the app Lux to measure the light, so I might sometimes measure it or not. So let's go on the camera and get to shooting. So enjoy. So me from edit here, as you can see, I'm taking a beautiful masterpiece as a photo. Of course, I always have some bad luck taking photos with 35mm film format. This time it wasn't a mistake in developing, but it was my lack of checking if the film is advancing. And so all these photos that you will see me taking here are on this one frame. I'm fast forwarding until the moment that the camera starts advancing. Of course, I started getting worried when my film counter was showing 40 shots made and the film is still not ending. I'm like, 40 frames already? Did I load on too much film onto this cartridge? Because I loaded this film myself. If you want to know how to do it, the video will be linked in the description below. And so all these photos were lost because basically 40 shots went onto this one single frame. And then the final last 20 that I was already worried, like, where are they going? My counter is already showing 60 shots. That's when I just decided to completely stop recording after the roll is done. I'm like, this is probably just gonna turn out complete garbage. So I stopped the video. But let's fast forward it here to the moment I do start getting some photos, so you can watch them. Enjoy this complete failure of photography taking when I had some amazing shots that I thought I'm gonna have, and it just didn't work out. And here is where I study photography. It's a, I don't know how you call it in English, art department. So yeah, well, let's take a few shots inside there. I keep it pre-focused from 2.5 meters to 7 meters. in case there's something right in front of me. So we are on our 40th frame. And this photo here is one I truly love from this whole trip. It came out as if somebody would draw it or computer render or something like that. I just love the shapes and the way it just came out on the photo. So that's a photo I love from this trip. And so by this time, I was already deciding to just give it up because I did not know how many photos will come out and how many not. So I was just looking around and taking photos of basically anything. But as you see, many photos did come out, and there are some photos I did like. Hopefully next time we won't make any more mistakes like that. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, a subscribe and like would mean a lot to me. It tells me I make interesting and helpful content. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.